Have a good day, my co-welder. For today's content, I am trying to speak English here. This is my work for today. I am welding 6-inch diameter pipe using TIG welding. This time, I'm capping it to the finish. Why I'm trying to speak English here? Because someone foreigner comment to me that he cannot understand what I am saying. I'm trying to speak English here for the first time. I am so sorry for my English because I cannot speak so much. My English is only one sack. If I talk so much, it will be empty. I have a group of welder in FB. I'm trying to speak English here so that they can understand what I am saying. The majority of my group of welder is a foreigner. Please don't bash my English. Please watch and listen to the music, mga co-welder. This time, my co-welder, I'm waving my hand very slow because I am near to the finish. If the pipe are using for stem line, they are need to x-ray the welding to ensure the quality of welding. There is no porosity and etc. etc. Okay. That is my skill of welding. That look is good to me, and I don't know to the viewer, my co-welder. I'm not an expert welder, but that is good to me. I don't know to the viewer. Let us see to the other side. That look is good to me. The other one, okay. That's good. Okay. I'm finished to 45 elbow today. Okay. And that is my pipe fitter, Ronelo Baras. I am trying hard to speak English because I have a foreigner follower and a group of welder. The majority of the group is a foreigner. That is my helper, Yoyo Ignacio Habalya. That is good helper. If you hire him, I will give you the number. That is my favorite helper, Yoyo Habalya. Okay, thank you for watching.